که از داخل
کندیشن خراب
نی کار نمیتونه بیار کندیشن دقیقه نفر هیچ خیلی ببینی راجع
بسم الله الرحمن الرحیم معین محترم ورونو حاضرینو زمونږ د انتقالي دولت د دستور عمل سره سم چې په هغه کې داسې ذکر شوي چې د انتقالي حکومت رئیس به خپله کابینه د اتحاد عالي شورا او قیادي شورا ته وړاندې کوي د دې اصل سره سم موږ د لوی خدای په فضل او مرحمت سره نن دې باندې موافق شو چې د محترم سید احمد ګیلاني د دې اتحاد د رئیس او د نطاق په توګه د دوی په دې لومړني جلسه کې موږ د کابینې اعضا شورای رهبري د اتحاد ته وړاندې کړل او هغوی په اتفاق سره موږ سره دغه لاندې کسان د وزیرانو په توګه د دې انتقالي حکومت لپاره ومنل. Due to the constitution of our transitional or interim government, which was translated and passed through the Supreme Council of the Ittihad, one item in that constitution says that the head of the government should choose or elect the ministers and appoint them on the ministries, and they should take the approval of the 7 leaders of the alliance members. Now, today, luckily, when Pir Said Ahmad Gilani took his turn as a spokesman for this alliance for 3 months, and I was given the task to choose the brothers and appoint them and nominate them in different ministries, and also it was my job to take the approval of the Supreme Council, especially the Supreme Council of the 7 leaders. And I did this, and Alhamdulillah I was very lucky to get their approval, and I will announce their names to you as the ministers for 12 ministries and 1 extra deputy. The اتحاد د موقتی یا interim government معاون دکتور ذبیح الله مجددی Dr. Zabihullah Mujaddadi. Dr. Zabihullah Mujaddadi, he is born in 1946 in Kabul. And he is the son of our great scholar, Sabghatullah Mujaddadi. He has done his studies in the level of BSc in Hawaii, one of the states in America. Then he has received his PhD degree in engineering science 1977. After that, he took a job in the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia as a professor of civil engineering in King Faisal University. He left King Faisal University for the sake of jihad in the late of 1979. He joined the Mujahideen groups, and he is presently working as the deputy to the National Front Mujahideen group, which is headed by Sabghatullah Mujaddadi.
General Secretary.
General Secretary of National Front, headed by Professor Sabghatullah Mujaddidi. Our second deputy, Maulana Muhammad Shah Fazli. Maulana Muhammad Shah Fazli, he has done his studies in his province Paktika or Urgun area in the mosques. He is a very well scholar of Islamic Sharia, and he has been involved in the jihad affairs from the very beginning of the jihad. And he has done several jobs, several tasks in the group of Maulavi Sahib Muhammad Nabi called Harakat Inqilab Islami Afghanistan. He was responsible for the refugees affairs sometime, and right now he is the deputy to Maulana Muhammad Nabi, and also he is heading the Inqilab Harakat Islami Afghanistan. Now the ministers. Our defense minister, Haji bin Muhammad, he has been the member of the Islamic movement from the very beginning of his age. He is the graduate of the law of the literature faculty, Kabul University. And he is the refugee. He is the first among those that they seek refuge in Pakistan, 1974. He is the deputy to Maulana Muhammad Yunus Khalis, Hizb Islami's party. And he is also the member of the military council. Presently, there is a joint committee of the 7 parties, and he is the member of the military committee also. Haji Sahib Din Muhammad, the Difa Wazir Fasifat. Haji Sahib Din Muhammad ki sub nabi zani dai de Nangarhar da, او د ادبیاتو له پوهنځي فارغ شوی او په 1940 کال کې چې د داود خان د زمانې د مهاجرینو وخت ده، دی د هغه وخت مهاجر ده. دی د مولوي صاحب محمد یونس خالص معاون او همدارنګه د ټول د ائتلاف د نظامی کمیټې د شورا غړی هم ده. Our Interior Minister, Sayyid Nurullah Ahmad, unfortunately he is not here, but I will introduce him to you in his absence.
Sayyid Nurullah?
Sayyid Nurullah Ahmad. He is the General Secretary of Jamiat Islami Afghanistan. He is the graduate of Science Faculty, Kabul University. He has been in the prison for several months, several years, and then he came to Peshawar in 1978, and he is the General Secretary in Jamiat Islami Afghanistan, headed by Professor Rabbani since that time. Our Foreign Minister, Mr. Qadi Najiullah. Qadi Najiullah, he is also one of our Islamic scholars. He is graduated from Darul Uloom Arabi, that is Islamic Sharia college, very famous in Afghanistan. After that, he has done his university studies in Kabul University College of Sharia. After that, he was appointed as assistant professor in the College of Sharia, Kabul University. He has been the representative of Hizb Islami, headed by Brother Engineer Hikmatyar in Kuwait. He has recently come from Kuwait. He was the representative of Hizb Islami in Kuwait. And also now presently, before the appointment of his new job, he is the General Secretary of the He is the President of the Educational Affairs in Hizb Islami, headed by Brother Engineer Hikmatyar. Wazir Kharija Didi Muwaqati Hukumat Muhtaram Rur Qadi Sahib Najiullah Stasi Wulid. Qadi Sahib Najiullah di Ghazni di Walayat دای دارالعلوم عربی کابل نفارغ او پس لغنه د فاکولته شرعیاتو نفارغ او بیا الته په فاکولته د شرعیاتو کې د اسیستانت په حیث بیا کله چې دا کمونیستي بحران په کابل کې راغی دای مهاجر او د حزب اسلامي نماینده په کویت کې او پیش له دې چې د وزیر په توګه دلته معرفي سي دای په حزب اسلامي کې د تعلیم او تربیه د امورو مسئول Now our finance minister, Mr. Muhammad Ismail Siddiqui. Brother Ismail Siddiqui, he is a very old worker of the finance ministry in Afghanistan. He has done several jobs in the ministries and he is one of the earlier Muhajir. He joined Harakat Inqilab Islami Afghanistan headed by Maulawi Muhammad Nabi Muhammadi. He has been in charge of the cultural committee in the Harakat Inqilab and also he was the president of the political committee in Harakat Inqilab Islami Afghanistan. The Maliya Wazir Muhtaram Roar Ismail Siddiqui. Ismail Siddiqui سابقا په افغانستان کې د مالی په وزارت کې په مختلفو شعبو او دفاترو کې کار کړی او د رتبتو تر رتبې پورې هلته د اجرا د وظیفې کړی د کمونیستي د بحران او د دې شومې کودتا د کمونیستانو نه را په دې خوا دی مهاجر شوی او خپل عضویت په حرکت انقلاب اسلامي افغانستان کې هلته منلی او دی په حرکت انقلاب اسلامي افغانستان کې په حیث د رئیس د کمیټې فرهنګي رئیس د کمیټې سیاسي او همدارنګه د حرکت لخوا دی د اتحاد عالی د شورا غړی هم دی او دی د زابل د ولایت دی Ismail Siddiqui, he is born in Zabul province. He is from Zabul province just next to Kandahar.
و راجع به ولایت زابل پشتیبانی با هم شما می‌دیم که دو روز می‌شود که قوای مجاهدین و سرکردگی قماندان عبدالسلام خودش شهر چیره فلات الحمدلله و تصرف مجاهدین اشغال شد.
There is a good news for you that our mujahideen under the Commander Abdul Salam in a joint vertical operation have captured Zabul, the Kalat, the capital of Zabul, and they have overcome the Kabul and the Soviet forces there.
عليه تكبير الله عليه تكبير عليه تكبير.
Now our next minister is Dr. Farooq Azam. Dr. Farooq Azam, he has written his own biography in his own handwriting. I will read it to you. And he is the Minister for Housing and Reconstruction of Afghanistan. Dr. Farooq Azam, he is born in World War II in the province of Kandahar and also in Kandahar city. Educated in economics and agriculture in Kabul. After that, he studied in American and British universities in Beirut. International expert in the resettlement of displaced people in Egypt. Expert in settling of nomads in Jordan. Expert in resettlement and construction in Syria, Afghanistan, and Helmand Valley. His rank officially in Afghanistan, his work is a high official rank in Afghanistan. And he is also writer and author of 17 books. And before his appointment as a Minister for Housing and Reconstruction, he was the deputy to the National Islamic front of Afghanistan headed by Sayyid Ahmad Gilani. The إعمار مجدد أو المهاجرين مسؤول وزير أسكان the أسكان وإعمار مجدد وزير محترم رو دكتور فاروق اعظم جتا سولي Dr. Sir, our educational minister is brother Maulana Hamza. He is the minister for educational affairs. Maulana Hamza, he is the graduate of Kabul Darul Uloom, that is college of Islamic college. After that, he was a student in the Sharia college of Kabul University. After that, he has done his MA in Sharia in Riyadh University. And he is one of the very earlier member of the Islamic movement. He is now member of Jamiat Islami Afghanistan headed by Professor Rabbani. He is in charge of the registration committee in Jamiat Islami Afghanistan. The Ta'lim wa Tarbiyah Wazir Muhtaram. Our next minister is brother Mujahid Matiola Zadran. Matiola Matia. Matiola Matia, he is the graduate of Gardes Teacher Training College. After he graduated from Teacher Training College of Gardes, he was appointed as a teacher in one of the primary schools. But due to the revolution, he couldn't stay or he couldn't continue his teaching. And he is the refugee in early and Dawood's time. And he was responsible for the jihad affair in Zadran area. And also he is one of the famous commander of the Zadran area. And also he is the member of Maulavi Muhammad Yunus Khalis party. And Matiola is now the minister for agricultural affairs. And he is from Paktia, from Zadran tribe. Paktika, sorry. He is from Paktika province, Zadran tribe. Among the propagation. Okay? Give you. Okay, now in other countries, this ministry is called Information or Cultural Ministry. Now we named it Dawat wa Irshad. Now you understood the meaning. Okay, I'm telling. Brother Yasser, he is from Wardak province. And he is the head of the political committee in Ittihad Islami Afghanistan, headed by Professor Sayab. If you don't know Brother Sayab, he is here somewhere. Okay, now the Dawat Irshad Wazir Muhtaram Roor Yasser sir. Also, I'm sorry, I forgot. Yasser, he is graduate of, he has finished his high school in Kabul. He was very brilliant student. He was given a 1-year scholarship. They call it what? AFS. He has been 1 year in New York also, in America. After that, he was enrolled in the College of Law in Kabul University. So since he couldn't continue because of Dawood's regime, he was very young when he became Muhajir, refugee in Pakistan. He went from Pakistan to Medina Munawwara. He completed his BA in Islamic law in Medina Islamic University of Saudi Arabia. Dawat Irshad Wazir Muhtaram Roor Yasser sahab. Yasser sahab de Warda ko de wilayat da. De Habibi de lise Farid او بیا یو کال د یو بورس په استفاده امریکا کې هم فصل 12 صنف ته یو کادر یا دوره تحصیلي کړې بیا چې دغه ځای نه راغلی بیا په کابل پوهنتون کې د حقوقو د پوهنځي محصل و بیا چې د داود خان انقلاب شروع شو دی مهاجر سه پېښور کې او بیا له پېښور نه دی مدینې منورې ته د استاد برهان الدین رباني په کومک او هدایت سره هلته په جامع اسلامي د مدینې منوره کې شامل شو او هلته خپل لیسانس د مدینې منورې د اسلامي پوهنتون نه اخیستی دی فعلا یا د دې وظیفې نه دمخه رئیس د کمیټې سیاسي و په اتحاد اسلامي افغانستان کې چې د استاد عبدالرب رسول صاحب تر مشرۍ لاندې د دې تنظیم امورات اجرا کېږي. Now, our next minister is Brother Abdulaziz Farooq. He is the Minister of Planning. Brother Abdulaziz Farooq also is from Kandahar, right?
Right.
He is from Kandahar and he is a very learned person, especially in economics. He has MA from Tennessee University of United States early in 1960. And he has done several jobs in the Ministry of Planning in Afghanistan. He was the head of the statistical department in the planning ministry. After that, he was the president of planning department in that ministry. And lately, in time of Dawood, he was the deputy minister of planning. Brother Abdulaziz Farooq, he is a very well-known person in the field of economy, especially with the United Nations projects. And he has done many papers. He has written many papers for the United Nations and different fields of refugees and United Nations development organizations and so on. He was the specialist from United Nations to Tanzania, to Sudan, to Nigeria and Somalia. He has been, or he was the economic expert from the United Nations in these 3 African countries.
Which party?
Which party? He was here, and from here he went to America. Now we have taken him is from none of the 7 parties, just to complete or to fulfill the broad-based idea that you like it. Okay.
Just to touch the broad-based idea.
The Plan Wazir Muhtaram Muror Abdulaziz Farooq. Abdulaziz Farooq که څوک یې نه پېژني دا دلته چې دا مشران ناست دي موږ دا تقریبا یو 15 یا 20 کالو را په دې خوا یې پېژنو د ده په اسلامیت د ده په تقوا کې هېڅ څوک کوم شک شبهه نه لري. عبدالعزیز فروغ په اقتصاد کې ماستري لري له امریکا نه او چې له امریکا نه راغلی بیا د پلان په وزارت کې رئیس د احصایې او رئیس د احصایې بیا په حیث د رئیس د پلان او بیا د داود په وخت کې دا معین د وزارت پلان بیا مهاجر شوی دا څو کاله کېږي دلته په پاکستان کې وو تقریبا یو 2 کاله بیا امریکا ته تللی اوس دی له امریکا نه د ده د تخصص او لیاقتو د ده چې ضرورت په احساس موږ راغوښتی دا یې په حیث د وزیر د پلان موږ سره ایفا د وظیفه به کوي انشاءالله.
دوی کله راغلي امریکا نه؟
دوی دا اوس فعلا دا یو میاشت شاوخوا کېږي چې راغلي پخوا هم راغلي وو یعنې په کال کې دا یو وارې راځي.
کوم تنظیم معرفي کړی شوی او تنظیم خو معرفي کړی
دوی موږ په ګډه باندې ما د حکومت د مسؤل په صفت د نوم اخیسته او د محترم ورونو ټولو په اتفاق سره دی تایید کړی. Now our next minister is for health affairs. Is he here? Our health minister is Wasiq Wa'izzada. Wasiq Wa'izzada, he is from Kabul and he is the member of the National Front headed by Professor Sabghatullah Mujaddidi. I don't know much about his background. maybe Dr. Zabihullah Mujahideen knows. And also he is from our Shia brothers. And he has done his education, private education with his father. His father was a very well-known Islamic scholar, Sarwar Wa'izada. Sarwar Wa'izada was killed by the communist government, and his son is, mashallah, he is a very intelligent person, and we are sure that he will be able to carry
Which communist government? Which communist government? Which government?
He was killed in Taraki tribe. Taraki. His father was killed in Taraki tribe.
He was a renowned religious and political leader of the Shia brothers. And Wa'izada, his son, who is now nominated for the Ministry of Health, he studied in Islamic media. So he studied in Afghanistan and in Iran.
من دي صحیح وزیر محترم رول واثق وعزاده. واثق وعزاده د کابل د مشهور سرور وعزاده مرحوم زوی سرور واعظ وبکه. This is the plan name Sarwar Wa'iz. His father name is Sarwar Wa'iz, not Wa'izada, because Wa'izada is his name. دای د سرور واعظ زوی ده او سرور واعظ د ترقی په وخت کې د کمونستانو له طرفه شهادت رسیدلی او دای د شیعه د ورونه دای په جبهه نجات ملي کې عضویت لري او اوس به د دې بعد انشاءالله په حیث د وزیر د صحیح خپل وظیفه اجرا کوي. Okay. Now also I have to mention that when, as I said in the beginning of my speech, when I introduced these 12 or 13 brothers, now alhamdulillah I am very happy, and I did appreciate, I will not forget the stand and the kindness of my 7 leaders, that without any dispute they agreed totally, unanimously, they were accepted, all those who were introduced by me. May Allah bless them, and may Allah help all of you.
Alay Takbir! Alay Takbir!
How many of them are Persian and how many of them are Persian?
Okay, we do not believe on languages, so we don't want to answer this.
But what's the reason that you haven't announced this government inside Afghanistan?
Well, that may be announced in the near future, and when they start taking responsibility, and that will be duly announced. And they will perform the tasks given to them by the Leadership Council.
When you are going to announce the schedule of the general elections? Elections are a very difficult question.
Fairness to be done by the election commission. Then we'll start holding elections. This will be completed within 4 months. After?
But
we are hopeful
كم تاريخنا شروع
Excuse me, these elections will be prepared in 3 or 4 months' time. When will they be held?
عملا کار خود شروع کنه.
Well, everything should be done in the framework of 3 months.
Well, would you like to have guidance and assistance from the Election Commission of Pakistan, because none of you are expert of holding general elections.
ما الحمدلله خود ما معلومات داریم، قدرت داریم، فهمش داریم و ما کار کنه خود ما بهتر میدانیم و هم در داخل افغانستان و هم در مالی.
Well, we have the expertise, we have the know-how, and we know our people, and this will be held inside Afghanistan and among the refugee camps.
We didn't hear about the Ministry of Jihad. We didn't hear about the Ministry of Jihad.
The Ministry of Defense is the Ministry for Jihad. And we are all in Jihad, so why do we have a ministry about that? We are all Mujahideen.
Women will be allowed.
The lawyer Jirga, in that case, when and where?
lawyer Jirga kuma Jirga ka waqti Afghanistan الله شد بعد كل تسمير سمعت أنا بعد lawyer Jirga.
A lawyer Jirga will be asked and will be coming when inside free Afghanistan. That should be called inside free Afghanistan.
Gilani sir, women will
Please,
be
what is the answer for
in the
Jirga?
election.
Lawyer Jirga.
When?
Well, inside free Afghanistan.
بقول بقى عمود برا بقول عمود في كميتين قومي من الشرائط كتير.
And we have got an election committee, and our commission is working right now, and they will decide about the possibilities.
What will be the criteria of the voter? Who will cast the vote? Who will be the voter?
That will be decided by election.
The commission is working on that.
What, whether women can vote?
یو سوال څه دا وزیران به د خپل پوسټونه پرېږدي د مخکې به د ترجمهونه کوي کنه ده ځکه دا مخکې داسې وویل چې
دا باندې اورو کو درته کو پاتره نه ده
په دې کې د ارشاد واپس امکان شته
نو دا افغانستان ته دا چې به خپل ملت کار
Excuse me, sir, may I have a question?
Can we have that in English?
Yeah.
Yes, he asked whether the king of what you call the return of Zahir Shah is in question or not. Mr. Gailani, Pete Gailani said that it would depend on the people of Afghanistan when Afghanistan is free. It's up to them.
Excuse me, one question. Will you please take an notice of my request that the election should be on party basis and person should not be...
Is it a press conference or is it a public meeting?
Yes, it has been already decided.
آنها به شکل ما موافق کردیم و اگر کدام تغییر شد ممکن.
Well, right now we have decided on the present form. If we make any change, we'll let you know.
آخري سوال یو آخري سوال
It has been decided to be on party. Party, no individual candidate.
Congratulations.
Yes, this has been decided.
اما غیر من او تاسو ډیر په دغه موږ هم په اخر بعد
آخري سوال چې انتخابات څلورو میاشتو کې ونه چې د حکومت سرنوشت وکړي
نو بیا ما چې دا درېوټ ان شاء الله کیږي قانون چې موږ ته خپل تصمیم ته اعلان او د اعلان کې سوال
Mağazayı çiğde verin, mağaza.
Ministry.